Hi guys, welcome back to another interesting vlog. How you guys doing? If this is your first time here, thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys for all the love, all the support you guys have been showering on me and my family. And what am I talking? So today this is an interesting vlog. I just ended yesterday. I ended that vlog because I took you guys along when I went to go and do my second section. And you guys, let me just gist you. They said I shouldn't pour water. I forgot. I was taking my bath. I was taking my bath today and I poured water and I even used soap. Hey, before I could remember, I said I have potassium and bedroom. But I just hope this doesn't spoil anything, but it's all good. How you guys doing? So today I'm going to be cooking. I want to make okra vegetable soup. Yeah, it's not like that okra, but I just want to mix it with vegetable, okra vegetable soup. Like, I just want to try my own recipe. Like, this is what I'm craving for, and I think it's going to come out so good. So I'm going to be carrying you guys along on what I'm going to do with the okra. Yeah, so I'm just trying to prep all my things, but I'm not ready for all that prepping and start cooking. I'm just be doing it and be cooking immediately, sharp. So my chicken, I'm going to be using my chicken. The chicken is already cooking. Yeah, so what I'm doing that, I'm going to blend my smoothie because I just love making it and keep it in the freezer, so I won't be going on an empty stomach every morning. If I just wake up, I'll just take one and drink banana cooking maybe. So I'll first use it before using chaka or choto. So this is my spinach. I bought it yesterday when we are coming back. I didn't even carry you guys along because I was carrying something. I don't know how to start vlogging. So I'll be using this this tatashi pepper. Don't mind these two disgraceful nails, and this okporoko and dry fish. Yeah, so this is what I'm going to be using. What else? I'm just going to be doing everything immediately. I'm not going to prep anything and keep. So I only have to cut the okra yesterday because this okra is going to be so annoying if I start doing. So I have to just close my eye, cut it yesterday and keep it in the freezer. Okay, this is frozen one, that's why it's looking like this. So I'm just going to start blending my smoothie. After blending it, I'll cut my vegetable while waiting for the meat to cook. It's just going to be a quick meal. Okay, so today is Friday, so this is going to be a weekend in the life. So sit down, enjoy this video, and I'm going to talk to you guys later. So I'm done cutting the vegetables. I didn't show you guys when I was cutting it because I didn't want this video to be unnecessarily boring. I'm done cutting it. I've washed it with hot water and cold water. I'm just leaving it here to rinse, and I'm going to have finished cooking my protein. So I'm going to start frying the sauce. Yeah, I'm going to start frying the sauce now. Everything is just ready, so let's continue our cooking. Oh yeah, now so guys, now oil is something else here. Like, it's something else here. The price now is something else. So I'm going to be managing. I don't want the oil too much. So this recipe, I don't know. This is me trying out new recipe for my food. I love new recipes. So you guys should be seeing what I'm doing. Of course not go on now. Even when they see you, they confused. I forgot that I was vlogging. My husband just reminded me because he came inside here to distract me. Got by them on kata. And I forgot what I was doing. Hey God. So I'm going to be adding the protein, which I'm doing now, to mix with the sauce. Add everything there. I'll add the stock water later, not now. I just want the sauce to enter into the meat. This recipe, you know, what do you like that? So I say it's sweet. It makes sense. No be crayfish here. Nothing else. It's the only actual. This is going to be a cook with me video because I don't know if I took a weekend in the vlog in the life and cook with me video. So I'll leave it to steam. So I'm going to be adding my crayfish now. So I'm going to be adding my crayfish now. Don't mind that sound. If you don't cheap out that one, then the stock water, the stock, maybe the stock or the stock water. So I'll add my okra now. So it will be boiling together. Yay! This is smelling so nice. It smells so nice. I did not add on my meat. I'm going to add a little salt and pepper. Yeah. Just a little bit. So guys, you're checking back on the soup. Yeah. I added a little bit of uziza. I forgot to tell you guys. Yeah. So I'm going to be adding my spinach in it. Yeah. That's all for the low heat. So we're going to stir it. You see, this okra, thank God I made it this way. If not, I will see it for my soup. So after stirring it, I'm going to put it down and turn semo and be wheat. I'm going to make oatmeal for myself. That's what I used to eat. Yeah. Now you think Karanto. Hey, give me a simple system. Just simple and rich soup. This soup is so rich. You need to take it down. Okay guys, I'll be dishing out the food now. Yeah, I'm done with it. So you can see here. No quoi. So guys, I'm done cooking. Yeah, So this is my husband's own. He wants to use his own and do mukbang. So this is my own, and this is Kobe's own. Yeah, I have to mold it in a size so it will be easy for him. Yeah, this is how I make it swallow. Okay, so and this is my soup. Yeah, so I'll be adding my husband's soup here. He's taking his bait, so I'm going to wait. When he's out, I'll put it for him. So guys, let me off this flash. So guys, so this is the outcome of the soup. Trust me, this soup tastes so delicious. Like, it was so delicious, and trust me, if Kobe finish this is swallow, just know that the soup is over delicious, because okra is his best soup. He loves okra. Okay, so I'm going to be putting my husband's on when he's done taking his bath. So me and Kobe, we are going to be eating while I wait for him. So guys, I'm going to talk to you guys later. Okay. So me hope it's all. Let's talk coffee. Eh? You like coffee? I know you like this one. Yes. Ngwalacha. Delicious. You know, I'm saying delicious. Thank you. Can I let you show it before I the channel? I did not put meat for you. I want you to finish your food. If you finish your food, I'll put meat. You finish it, right? I'll finish it. Okay, you saw meat inside safe. I'm going to tower. Oh, you go in at there. So I'll be eating while I'm catching up on videos. Oh my, the hustle is real. Let me sit and enjoy my own. I'm going to talk to you guys later. When we are watching movie.